Before we talk about the wig, I want to just go over what all I got in the package. It came in the Luvme box that my hair usually comes in when I purchase from them. I got 2 more clips to add to my collection. I got a hair wax stick. I believe this is the flyaway tamer that I see a lot of people use in their videos. I'm just glad I got some finally because I didn't know where everybody was actually purchasing it from. And then I have 2 bands in case I want to use them. And then some bobby pins and a rat tail comb, which is very sturdy, by the way, which I really like. And I like this pouch because I like when I get pouches like this with like makeup or hair that I've been purchasing. I like collecting these because I get to put things inside of here for like traveling, or in my purse to like put my lipsticks and stuff in separately, or my makeup, my touch-up makeup. I like to put it in these containers. So this is their pixie, their 8-inch pixie cut. This is their pixie cut bob. I am so excited and scared all at the same time to review this, only because I've never had hair this short before, like not even my own hair, and especially not a wig. So but I do have an idea of how I want it to look, and I'm so excited that I get to actually have hair this short, because I probably will never cut my hair this short. And so sporting a wig like this actually is exciting for me. I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off. This band is something I got with some other hair that I received. So yeah, this is going to be so cute and so just, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. Like, I really cannot wait. Y'all excuse the glue that I have on my hair. I want to show you guys again the inside of this wig. This looks like a full lace wig. Oh my gosh. Wow, I think it is. Yeah, so this is the front of the wig here. This is the top of the wig. So you see we have the 3 combs there, the one on this side, that side, the one at the top, and then my all-time favorite. I love having combs in the back of the wig, so that helps secure to keep my wigs down in the back. So this is the overall look of the wig here. I do see I'm gonna have to customize the part to make it a little bit thicker, but I'm gonna do that once I have it on my head. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this Sally Hansen airbrush spray on the wig, because I want this wig to be tinted to my hair, to my skin color. So I'm gonna turn the wig inside out. I'm gonna put it on the mannequin head. And this is to get the knots out, and I mean, not get the knots out. This is to tint the lace, and then also to get any of those grid, that grid pattern out of the wig. So just gonna take my brush and just stipple it in more. So these earrings I have on, y'all, I don't know if you can see them, but I also got this in the pack as well. I got 2 pair actually. I got these gold ones with the pearls, and then I also got another pair that are just pearls, and they're little hanging dangly earrings that are so cute. You can see it right there. But I also got these, and I think they're so cute. I really love these, especially. They're like right up my alley with earrings.
Hope it's not too late, 'cause I don't wanna wait. You don't wanna fight for my love, but I do. Yes, I do. she don't wanna let me out, no. I hope it's not too late, 'cause I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna take my time. You don't wanna fight for our love, our love. I do, yes I do, yes I do. You don't think a lot is enough, when I do, yes I do, I do. You don't wanna fight for our love, our love. I do, yes I do, I do. You don't think a lot is enough, I do, yes I do. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna take my time. You don't wanna fight for our love, our love. I do, yes I do, yes I do. You don't think a lot is enough, when I do, yes I do, I do. You don't wanna fight for our love, our love. I do, yes I do, I do. You don't think a lot is.
This is my hair. You know, like this hair is really giving me life. Oh my gosh, y'all. This wig is everything I didn't know that I needed. It's everything I didn't even know that I could do. Definitely something I just was not expecting. I was gonna just ever like try to replicate, but y'all, to be honest, like, oh my gosh, like this hair, wow. Y'all remember that video, Take a Bow? Just take a bow. Bomb.com. Oh wow, I can't believe I did this. Like, if I had a bomb like outfit to wear, like dress, this would be by far like my favorite look. So I actually forgot to show y'all the back of my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around in the chair and show y'all the back, because I completely forgot.